everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you this makeup look which is beginner friendly, and I'm gonna explain you everything step by step. Also, I'm gonna show you how to prepare your skin before makeup so that your makeup sets well and it be like long lasting. Also, I received this fab bag and there is everything, the detail of the products, everything in this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end. So if you want to know how I get this look using this fab bag and the products, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start with everything like step by step because it is a sort of beginner's tutorial. So I'm gonna show you from skin preparation, like how to prepare your skin before makeup, because your makeup will look good if your skin is feeling good. So let's start from there. And for skin prep, I am gonna use this scrub cleanser. This is the Green Tea Tattva Scrub Cleanser from Nourish Mantra. I received this exfoliator in this thing. This is the fab bag, as you can see. And inside this bag there are 4 products that I'm gonna show you everything about it. So these are the 4 products and I'm gonna use these in this video so you can see what actually this fab bag is. A fab bag is a blend of different brands and different products. So I received these 2 products from Sugar Cosmetics, this product from Nourish Mantra, and this one is the lip scrub, and you get this travel size pouch as well. So I really adore this bag and this products, like everything. So I'm gonna leave a coupon code for you guys so you can buy from there, and this coupon code is valid for 4 months, 6 months and 12 months subscription. This is kind of subscription box, and you also get 1 month subscription, but this code is not valid for that. If you want to try, you can get that as well. I'm gonna take this much amount for my face, and wow, it smells so nice. So I'm gonna wet my finger and gently massage it onto my skin. So I have one video for like how to prepare your skin before makeup. I'm gonna leave it here so you can check. So I'm gonna do this step for good 3 to 4 minutes. Alright guys, so I have nothing on my face right now, like not even moisturizer, and you can see the difference, like it is looking so fresh and it is looking hydrated as well. And now when you are done with your skin, like exfoliating your skin, it's time for your lips. If you guys want long lasting lipstick application, then you must concentrate on your lips as well. Like you need to exfoliate your lips as well, apply a good lip balm and then go in with your regular lipstick. It will stay for longer time, and that's what I'm gonna do. So this is a watermelon lip scrub that I received in this fab bag pouch. Wow, it smells so delicious, and I'm gonna wet my lips first and I'm gonna pick some amount. And it is not a creamy kind of exfoliator or a lip scrub. It is very powdery texture. It helps you to give a smoother application of lipstick, as well as it also cures chapped lips and it make them even tone, removing the pigmentation. And also if you have dark lips, it helps to make them like pinky soft. So guys, you can totally see the difference, and now they are like so smooth and you can see they are looking pink, like naturally pink. And now I'm gonna do some skincare. Now I'm gonna use this toner, and this one is from Face Shop. It is a really good toner. This is the Rice Ceramide toner, and I'm gonna apply it all over my face. Like I'm just patting it on my skin like this. So this video is going to be a long video because I have explained everything in detail step by step, which will help beginners, so please bear with me. Next, you need to moisturize your skin, and for that I'm going to use this Rice Ceramide, like the Face Shop Rice Ceramide lotion. It is very hydrating and it leaves your skin looking dewy and glowy. So I'm gonna apply it everywhere in like patting motions, and then I'm gonna massage it into my skin. So now to moisturize my lips, I'm gonna use this regular Vaseline, which is like petroleum jelly. This is what I generally use. Now when you are done with the moisturizer, it is very important to apply primer. I'm gonna use these two primers. These are Smashbox mini primers, which are very cute. So this is the primerizer, which is moisturizer plus primer. It is very hydrating primer. And this one is the smooth and blur primer. This is their photo finish primer. Primer makes a hell lot of difference to your skin. I'm gonna zoom you a little so that you can see the difference. Okay, so this is like the closest you can come, and I'm gonna apply it to the one side of my face, and now just see the difference. Like I can see the difference. You can see both the sides. This is looking like very smooth and blurring. You can see some imperfections here, like some bumps here on my nose. Alright, and now moving on to makeup. If you have any imperfection, discoloration, pigmentation, dark circles, whatever, so better use a color corrector for that. So you can use peach color corrector. If you do not have any color corrector, you can use a lipstick as well, like a peach or red lipstick. Or you can use a concealer which is the exact match of your skin tone, and this is what I'm gonna do. This is the PAC Takeover Concealer, and I'm in the shade Stark Nude, and it is a beautiful creamy concealer for dry skin especially. So all I do is I apply it on my pigmentation, and now I'm gonna take this damn beauty blender. I'm not using a brush because brush gives you full coverage, and this is for beginners, so I want your base makeup to look flawless, and blender gives a very flawless finish. And you can see the difference both sides. This side you can see it is looking dark, and this is looking even. Now for foundation, I'm gonna use this LA Girl foundation. It is an illuminating foundation which is apt for the occasion. For concealer, I'm gonna use this LA Girl concealer, and this is a shade lighter than my skin tone because I want brightened under eyes, so I'm gonna apply it to the highest points of my face. Loose powder is very important because you really need to set your face if you want your makeup to last long, and it also make it transfer proof. That's what I would say. Now I have seen a lot of people, they get creasing over their lids, under their eyes, their smile lines, so you really need to set your makeup products with a loose powder so that your concealer would not crease. So first you need to get rid of the creasing. Like just go in with your beauty blender once again. I go in very slightest amount of the powder, like just this much. Alright, now once my face is done, I'm gonna move on to my brows. So I'm gonna use this Sugar Cosmetic Brow, which is the Arched Arrival Brow Definer, and I'm in the shade 03 Woody Scooby, and I got this in the same fab bag. Like, isn't this amazing? So I really love Sugar Cosmetics packaging. I really adore that. And this is like the first time I'm gonna try this brow product. Alright, so it has this brow thing at the one end and a spoolie at other end. And yes, it is not that pigmented, so definitely you can work with this. It is very good product for beginners. Like, you have a full control on its pigmentation. And now taking this spoolie, I'm gonna comb my hair again because it makes sure that your product is evenly distributed. They are looking very sharp. I really love this kind of brows. Like, this is a bronzer, this is contour. I'm gonna use this side, and I have taken this random brush which is fluffy and round. You can take any brush if you're a beginner, and all you need to do is, you do not need to be precise with that. Just feel this cheekbone right here, okay, and you can make a fish face. Now for blush, there is a very simple and yet so effective trick for beginners. What I like to do is I take a pinky lipstick, like whatever color I want to wear, either it's coral or red or pink or purple, burgundy, whatever. So this is like a very nudie pink color. I take it at the back of my hand like this, and now using this fluffy blending brush, round brush. It is the same brush with which I have done my contour, and now I have nothing on this brush. I take it directly on my brush like this. So I always like to drag my blush in upward direction so that it makes my face looks uplifted. Alright, and now for eyeshadow, first I'm gonna apply some loose powder. Like if you are a beginner and you're always afraid of getting fallouts from your eyeshadow, you must use this trick. Just apply a thick layer of loose powder under your eyes, like how I'm doing. Now because this is a step-by-step beginner tutorial, I'm not gonna do anything crazy for my eyes today. I'm just gonna use one basic eyeshadow palette, which is this one. This is an absolute favorite palette of mine, and this is from Nicka K. It has these beautiful plum colors like that family, pink, purple, with every matte and the sparkly color like glittery one. I am not gonna use any crease color today because I'm just gonna use two colors for this eyeshadow look. First I'm gonna use this one. This is like a mauvish color, and this is a very cool toned color, and I'm gonna take this blending brush. Any blending brush will do. Now for my lower lash line, I'm gonna take the same color and this flat kind of brush. And now once I'm done adding it on my lower lash line, I'm gonna drag it a little above so that it forms a V kind of shape. Alright guys, now for highlighter, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution highlighter. And now for lipstick, I'm gonna use this Sugar lipstick, which also came in with this fab bag, like inside this. So this is the shade Wine and Shine 08, and it is a lip duo. Like I have used their minis. So the best part about this lipstick is, first I really love the color, like a very plum sort of color. I really love it, and this is like gonna match my look today, and it has a lip gloss at the other end, so we gonna try both. Yes, so look at this color, so beautiful and apt for the occasion. And now I'm gonna try its lip gloss. I really like its applicator, like it is a brush kind of applicator, and please ignore this mess on my hand. So it is very pretty, like you can see lips are looking so beautiful, and lipstick has, you know, turned into next level thing. Alright guys, so that's it for this tutorial, and I really hope you guys found this video helpful and it helped you in some way. And if you guys need detail of this fab bag, here is the link in my description box. Do not forget to check that, because you get this bag in a very reasonable price with a travel size pouch. Like what else do you need? So yeah, if you like this tutorial, then please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and I will see you in my next video.